Good morning, YouTubers! It's Sunday, October the 4th, and in this video I'm going to be doing the drawing for the Ipsy Glam bag giveaway, which was the mystery staycation glam bag. This was also a special edition. So I'm going to be drawing the winner. So first I just want to say thank you for your support and helping me grow my channel. So I'm going to be doing this again. I'm going to order another mystery bag and give it away hopefully next month or in the next month or two. So I have everybody's name in the hat that subscribed to my channel, as well as posted enter in comments. So I've got my trusty glasses on and I am going to draw. Shaking it up. All right, so the winner is T. Zanat. I hope I'm saying that right. It's spelled T and then Z-A-N-N-A-T. So I'm going to reach out to you. I'd like to get this in the mail to you hopefully tomorrow morning. So I will contact you, get your address, and get this in the mail to you. Again, I want to thank you guys. This means the world to me, and I am many more subscribers closer to hopefully monetizing my YouTube channel so that I can help send my son to flight school. Thanks. Bye-bye.